Hi there, welcome to Grain TV. It's Tuesday, August 30th, another day down in the grain markets. Let's take a look at GrainEdge's trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn losing 7.5 cents a bushel, beans off 11.5, and wheat in Chicago losing 7 3/4. Today was the last trade before first notice day, so September contracts were especially hard hit in wheat and corn as we go into that delivery process starting tomorrow. News out today was pretty light. We did have another USDA export sales announcement, this time for 126,000 metric tons. That's on top of yesterday's 339,000 metric tons for soybeans. Even so, the market continues to trade lower because of the impending large supplies that are going to be hitting the market this fall. Yesterday, after the close, USDA said crop conditions for both corn and beans are still very strong. Corn managed to stay the same at 75% good to excellent, while soybeans ticked up 1% on its good to excellent rating. Furthermore, the maturity of the corn crop continues to move along quickly, suggesting we're going to have at least a normal harvest time period, if not a little early. And so we're going to have big supplies hitting the market soon, and that's got everyone basically on the bear side of this market. Let's take a look at trade action today in November beans. This was a market that basically continues to be trading lower. We talked yesterday about how 960 was sort of the underlying support, at least for the time being. Coming into the morning break, we were above that in the 962, 963 range, but quickly on the opening bell this morning, we took that out and never turned back. Flirting with 947 on the downside a couple of times before getting at least a corrective bounce in the last 10 minutes of trade, but not much to hang your hat on here if you're looking for a big recovery. Conversely, in corn, it was nothing but down for all of the trade sessions, starting with the morning break here today. We got no corrective bounce on the close. In fact, closed down at the lows. This is on Dees corn. So keep in mind, this is a market that's going to continue to look for buying potential as we search for new lows. And in wheat, it's just a brutal situation with the wheat market trading well below $3 on futures, and in many cases basis levels around the country trading at $1 or more a discount to Chicago. So it's a really sort of brutal time if you haven't had any protection here in this big sell-off. Yes, it may turn around, but it's going to be a while probably. We got to get into the harvest and potentially get this news, the big supply news behind us before we start moving higher in the face of what should be fairly good demand numbers. But in the time being, it's going to be probably more pain for U.S. farmers out there. That's all we've got today on Grain TV. Join us tomorrow. We'll be talking about EIA ethanol numbers and looking ahead to export sales this week. As a GrainEdge trading client, you'll get our Technical Alerts email first thing every trading day. Technical Alerts is a powerful system that generates quality trading opportunities. Each trading opportunity shows a chart and analysis providing clear price targets and risk potential. Technical Alerts look at historical chart formations and compare the current environment to the past to form concrete trading recommendations. The commodities covered by Technical Alerts includes grains, livestock, crude oil, currencies, bonds, and metals. Start your trading day with the most powerful insight into market direction and improve your trading today. Sign up at grainedge.com to become a client.